Hi guys, welcome to People in the Planet Day 1. My name is Jordan Guidry and I will be your teacher for this camp. We're going to start with our camp description. So throughout the week, you're going to be focusing on this idea. People in the Planet focuses on engaging students to learn about humans' relationships with the natural world. You will learn about the beauty of nature, the future of our planet, and the effects people have on the environment. You will read a variety of texts and explore different multimedia sources to answer the question, what effects do people have on the environment? You will study global warming, read and analyze a science fiction short story, and explore other related texts to develop a conclusion for our essential question. In addition to daily activities, you will be given a variety of thematically related texts for independent reading purposes. These lessons will primarily focus on English language arts and the analysis of literature, while incorporating science standards to create a cross curricular connection. Your thematically related text will be a series of fiction stories where the main character undergoes some type of conundrum with people in the planet. Your overall objectives for the week are to explore and understand the environment in which you live, to examine both positive and negative effects humans have on the planet, and to develop a plan to decrease your carbon footprint. The supplies you will need today are large construction paper or a half sheet of poster board, art supplies such as glue, scissors, construction paper, crayons, colored pencils, or markers, a shoebox for a diorama, which is optional, a section of grassy area or a field for observation. I would say at least a 6x6 section. A magnifying glass, which is optional, it just helps you get a closer look of the area you're observing. A pencil or some sort of writing utensil, and a clipboard or something sturdy to write on for when you venture outside. Your learning objectives for today, Monday, are to explore the environment in which you live, discover more about planet Earth and its environment, describe and illustrate the environment in which you live via poster or diorama, and to interact with your environment with a environmental scavenger hunt. Your camp description for today is to welcome to the environment around you, where you will explore and discover more about the environment in which you live. Today, you will have the opportunity to explore the environment around you through interactive sites, videos, and outside exploration. Your essential questions for today, or the questions to think about as you're completing the activities and watching the videos, are: what is nature? Do you consider water and air part of nature? And do you think people have a positive or negative effect on nature? The activities you will complete today are watching the opening PowerPoint, which you're doing now, complete your vocabulary PowerPoint and corresponding chart, watch a biomes video. You're going to watch a video on ecosystems, follow along with your Louisiana biomes and ecosystems PowerPoint. You're going to complete the Where You Live activity. The Where You Live activity is going to have you create a map of the environment in which you live or a diorama. You're going to highlight different attributes of your community, such as specific landmarks, waterways, wooded areas, anything that you feel like showcasing in your community. You're also going to showcase this by uploading a photo of it to Moodle or by bringing it to your afternoon Zoom meeting and letting everyone see. The next thing we're going to do after your Where You Live activity is how humans impact your environment. This one is going to be you brainstorming and creating a series of events or items that you know impact the environment in which you live. Your next one is going to be planet diversity activity. This one should take you about 45 minutes. You're going to pretend that you are a visitor from outer space viewing life on Earth for the first time. You're going to section off an area of land somewhere around you and collect diversity data. You're going to write down observations on the flora and fauna around you, which are going to be the plant life, the animals, the insects, anything like that. You're going to draw pictures, write descriptions of what you see, and you're going to give the name of the animal or plant if you do know it. You can look at my examples as well to help you out. The last thing you're going to do today is your Around Me scavenger hunt. Here you're going to participate in a scavenger hunt looking at different aspects from your environment. This might be flowers, animals, or things that are not supposed to be there. Once you're done with that, we have our extension activities. Your extension activities are going to be things that you're going to look at or do in addition to the activities for today. They are not required, but they are highly recommended to help you get a deeper understanding of what we're doing. The first thing is going to be your thematically related fiction books. These are going to be Hatchet or the Hatchet series, or which is like Brian's Winter, Brian's Hunt. You also have Hoot, My Side of the Mountain, The Line Tender, and Fuzzy Mud. I have one nonfiction companion for you, which is The Wondrous Workings of Planet Earth. This one will help you understand more about people and biomes and how we affect ecosystems. You have your Habitat Pen Pals activity, which is going to have you write a letter to another animal from the perspective of an animal in three specific ecosystems. You get to choose the ecosystem and the animal. In the letter, you are not going to give away your animal, but simply describe your animal's character traits, such as color, maybe fur versus feathers, what their skills are, what they do in that environment, what they eat, and where they live. We are going to try and guess each other's animals once we upload these to Moodle or bring them to our afternoon Zoom meeting. The next one is you're going to create a scavenger hunt. You're going to give it to someone either in your household or in your community and allow them to try and find the things on your scavenger hunt. And then you're going to research a foreign habitat. You're going to search for something that deals with tundras, deserts, prairies, African savannas, or tropical rainforest. You're going to create a poster that deals with your habitat and showcase that in our afternoon Zoom meeting as well. Your closing questions or your things to think about once you've completed all of these different activities are going to be, what is nature, and has your opinion of nature changed? Do you think people have a positive and negative effect on nature? And then how have your observations of the world around you changed your views of nature? So, in other words, after doing everything today, getting out, exploring your community, how has your view of nature changed? I hope you guys enjoy all these activities, and I can't wait to see what you guys think in today's afternoon Zoom meeting. See you guys.